Hello, boys and girls. Thanks for joining us for Sleigh Ride. This is a fun song that we are using to learn about form in music. So you should have seen on the other slides about form in music. So when we have form in music, it just means that certain parts of the song sound the same as other parts of the song and they match. And then there are other parts of the song that repeat and sound the same in different parts of the song. So we have the A section here, and this music is going to sound pretty much the same as this music, and this music, and this music. All these are different sections of the music in form. And then we have the B section, which is going to use these instruments and sound different from A because A is different than B. All right, and so the B section will sound similar again here. And then we have a C section, and this is the only C we have. So the C section here will sound different than all of the other music. All right, so if you need to go back to the other slide to learn a little bit about form, make sure you do that before you do this listening map. Okay, so what's going to happen, and you're going to follow along at home, I'm going to play Sleigh Ride by Leroy Anderson and his Pops Concert Orchestra. It's a fun song, and you'll see this little red dot on your screen. All I'm going to do is I'm going to circle which section we are in so that you can get an idea of the form of the song. And then something fun that you can do with this too is you can decide which of these instruments you might like to pretend playing to each part of the song. And I will include a slide that shows you a little bit about each instrument and shows you what they sound like and how they're played. So let's get started. Okay, great. So good job for following along with the form in music. And form just again is just which sections sound the same. So the A section of music will always sound like the A section of music, and we see that 3 times, even though sometimes the instruments change, but it still sounds the same. The B section will always sound like the B section, okay, no matter where it is. And the C section was the only one of its kind. Okay, so that's going to sound different than A or B. Okay, great. Thanks for following along with Sleigh Ride. You should go back and do this again, and maybe the next time that you do it, one time you could play along and pretend that you are playing one of the instruments that you see here. And the next time what you could do is you could, as you listen to Sleigh Ride again, you can use your finger to point to the different sections so that you can learn about the form of the song. All right, thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.